Plennybread.com. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be talking about today. But first, please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog as well. All kind of really cool things, apps for making all kinds of money, all kinds of stuff. Check it out. Also, at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you some bonus things here to show you, because this particular site, you can refer people to make more money. And so I'm gonna show you some places where you can refer people to get money from all your apps that you use that you can make money from. Anyways, we'll get into that later. But let's just get right into this and look at the very, very peculiar and shadiness of this all. Now, I've made videos about sites like this in the past, and they're not good. So let's take a look. Make $500 today. So right off the bat, it's a little ridiculous. Monetize your social. Get your friends, blah, blah, blah. So basically, you sign up, join, actually. You'll receive $30 bonus once you're registered. You get $20 for every friend that you invite. And then they claim to pay out with Cash App, PayPal, Bitcoin, mail check, no fees, whatever. Okay, so very crazy. Now, this site doesn't have too much information on it, but let's just go to the About Us page here real quick. In under 10 years, they say they started in 2015 right here, as most of these sites that I've seen actually have the exact same website basically, and they all say the same thing. But if you go right here, Plennybread.com, they started in April of 2020, so they're lying right off the bat. Next, let's check out this, another very peculiar thing. Contact us. Okay, 20 West 34th Street, New York City. Very interesting. Let's take a look at this video. So here we are in New York City, West 34th Street. And look at this. It's the Empire State Building Observatory, 20 West 34th Street in Midtown Manhattan. Very shady address that they would give you, don't you think? I mean, they could have an office in the Empire State Building, but they would give you more information. This is just the observatory, and very shady. They just pick an address at random, and that's about it. All right, let's move along. Empire State Building, check it out. Okay, so the next bit of shadiness we got here is, let's go, sign up, go to the terms of service page, and we'll just read part of this. All right, so additional terms: and not for any unlawful purposes, and are 99 years old or older. If you are under the age of 99, you are not allowed to use the Plenty Bread sites and features nor services. Yeah, okay, so there you go. What a bunch of nonsense. So you can't win with this site, because unless you're over 99. So big scam, big scam, big scam. All right, guys, so here we are. Here's some apps you actually can make money from. In fact, this website you're looking at right now, where they're all hosted, is a website called Kit, where you can make your own kits, as they call them, and you can promote all these different referral and affiliate marketing things that you use as well. So let's get right into this. There's a bunch of apps, like I said, that I use that I make money from. They're all iOS and Android apps. They're all legit. For example, over here we have Zines, kind of like a TikTok clone. Basically, you just get paid for watching videos. You get points. I've cashed out a bunch of times. I got lots of Amazon gift cards with this app, and you can refer people and get even more points and money. They PayPal with PayPal and other gift cards as well. A lot of really cool stuff. And we have Dosh over here as well. This is another app that I use. It's a cashback app. You link your debit cards and such to it, and then you get money for referring people as well. Free stocks from Robinhood. Up to $600 a year listening to music. It's a service kind of like Spotify and iTunes. Make some money. I've been paid out by all these ones up here. I've been paid out by too as well. Or I've got free stocks or whatever. They're all legit. There are iOS and Android apps. Pi is another one, free cryptocurrency app. Really cool. So anyways, there's a lot of really cool apps here that you can make money from starting today, and then refer people, get some more stuff. Just check them out. that is all for today, folks. Please check out the rest of the channel. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. In fact, I'll post another video up about these apps right here. And just check it out, and I'll talk to you soon.